This is the thing. Man is a social being. They need a healthy dependence, and they need a true independence. And if you want to truly understand the meaning of what a healthy dependence is, look at Abul Fazl al-Abbas. He won't walk, he won't talk, he won't speak, he won't take out his sword without the permission of his Imam. He has placed all his dependence, all his reliance on him. But at the same time, all the Ahlul Bayt have placed their reliance on Abul Fazl al-Abbas. He is the backbone of Hussein. He is the place of the source of reliance of the ladies of Ahlul Bayt. Fourth Imam said, Rahim Allahu Ammi al-Abbas. May Allah have mercy on my uncle. He sacrificed, he gave all his nafs, entire life, entire self in the hands of his brother Hussein. Now the strange thing is, we see that fourth Imam is saying he was the brother of Imam Hussein. But whenever we look at the narration, we don't find any narration where Abbas is saying, Akhi al-Hussein is saying, Ya Sayyidi, Ya Mawlai, Ya Aba Abdillah, oh my master, oh my leader, Aba Abdillah al-Hussein. This is the son of Zahra, this is the son of Ali Murtaza, this is the son of Muhammad Mustafa. How can I call him brother when he is my Imam? He is my master, he is my leader. And do you know what was the greatest test of Abu Abdullah? The test of his altruistic nature. You are in a dire situation, you are dying because of the thirst, the water is in your hand and you are still not drinking it. You are not thinking about yourself, you are still thinking about Sukhaina, you are still thinking about Zainab, you're still thinking about Abu Abdullah. You're still thinking about Ali Asghar. This was the true test of Abul Fazl al-Abbas. On the 10th of Muharram, after the evening, Abul Fazl al-Abbas comes to Imam Hussain. Mawla, give me permission. I want to go. I can't bear this life anymore. And do you know what Imam Hussain said? Abul Fazl, you are the leader of my army. You are the carrier of my flag. Mawla, where is that army that I am the leader of? Why do you need me? My Akbar has gone, my Qasim has gone, my Ana Muhammad has been killed, Mawla. I can't bear this life anymore. Okay, Abbas, if you still want to go bring some water. Ask the opposition army, give some water, and if they still don't give it, then you can go. Abul Fazl al-Abbas comes before the army and tells them, if you do not have mercy on us, if you want to kill us, but have some mercy on the children, have some mercy on the ladies of Ahlul Bayt. And Shimr calls out, oh, the son of Turab, even if the whole earth was filled with the water, we would not give you a single drop of water. Now Abul Fazl al-Abbas rode the horse. He is moving toward the direction of Furat. Everyone is shooting the arrows, but he is fighting like a lion. He is killing everyone one by one. He reaches the river bank, fills the flask. Then he takes the water in the hand. Suddenly he hears Al-Atash, Al-Atash. This is the voice of Sukhaina. This is the voice of children of Hussein. And Abbas is thinking, Abbas, how can you drink water when Asghar is thirsty? How can you drink water when Akbar was killed without water? How can you drink the water when Sakina is pleading before everyone for the water? He spilled the water in the river. He took the flask and is coming back. His direction is toward the tent. He can see the tent, and Sakina can see that alam high in the sky. And when she saw the alam, obviously she knows Abbas is coming back. He is bringing back the water, but then the flag gets lowering down, is coming down. She asked Baba, what happened? Why this flag is going down? Oh Sukaina, pray for your uncle Abbas. He has been surrounded by the army. Everyone is attacking him. One person came forward, he struck the sword on the right arm. And Abul Fadl Abbas said, Wallah, even if you strike my right arm, I'll still protect my deen. I'll still protect my imam. Then he takes the flask, puts in the left arm, and he's still moving toward the tent. Another person comes forward, strike a sword on his left arm. And he says, even if you strike my left arm, I'll still bring the water to Sukaina. He puts the flask in his lips. He's holding it with the teeth. Urmala comes forward. He takes out a three-pronged arrow, shoots toward the Abbas. The arrow enters the eye of Abbas. And Abbas is going back toward the enemy camp. Everyone is attacking with the arrow. The flask gets pierced. Now Abbas was moving toward the tent, but now he says, oh, the horse, take me toward the enemy camp. I can't face Sukaina anymore. Now the whole army attacks Abbas all together. Abbas is falling on the ground. लेकिन आजादारो गिर कैसे आ रहे, आ कैसे रहे? हर शहीद जब जमीन पर आया था, उसके बाजू थे, उसके हाथ थे, लेकिन देखो जरा अबुल फजल अब्बास हाथ नहीं है, बाजू नहीं है, आवाज आई अस्सलामु अलैका या अबा अब्दुल्लाह। वो हुसैन जो सुबह से जनाजे उठा के थक गया है। इमाम हुसैन ने अपनी कमर को पकड़ा, अल्लाह इनका जरा जारी। अब्बास मैं सुबह से जनाजे उठाता रहा, मैंने अकबर का जनाजा उठाया, मैंने कासिम का जनाजा उठाया, मैंने और मोहम्मद का जनाजा उठाया, लेकिन कभी ऐसा नहीं कहा अब आके मेरी कमर टूट गई है अब्बास, और मुझे सहारा दो, मुझे अब्बास की बड़ी मुश्किल से पहुंचे हुसैन हजरत अब्बास के सराने। हजरत अब्बास का सर लग लिया, अपनी गोद में रखा, मट्टी को साफ करना शुरू किया। शायद अब्बास ने अपना सर हटा लिया, मौला मेरा सर अपनी गोद में ले रखिए। क्यों अब्बास? मौला अभी मेरा सर अपनी गोद में रख रहे, थोड़ी देर में गुजरेगी, आप होंगे, खाके करबला होगी, मौला तब मट्टी कौन साफ करेगा, तब कौन आपका सर लेके अपनी गोद में रख। मौला अब्बास को वापस में ले जाइए, अलम ले जाइए, खाली मिश्कीदा ले जा। आ गए हुसैन, सुखैना आगे बढ़ी, बाबा पानी खाए। सुखैना पानी नहीं है तो बाबा पानी नहीं है, तो ये तो बताइए मेरा चचा अब्बास कहाँ है? सुखैना अब्बास दरिया के किनारे सो गए। ज़ैनब आइए या खामोश रहिए। शाम जब गरीबों से जब ज़ैनब को गुजारा गया, इजाजत नहीं मिली कि अब्बास के पास वापस जाए। कूफा पहुंची, शाम पहुंची। जब शाम से वापस आई करबला, सबसे पहले अबुल फजल अब्बास की कब्र पे अब्बास आओ देखो मेरी चादर को चीरने लग गया। अब्बास कूफा शाम के बाजार से गुजारा गया। अब्बास अपनी बहन को देखो, इसको पत्थर मारे गए। अब्बास अपनी सकीना को देखो, जिसको तमाचे।